Hey guys, welcome back. Chef Hawks here again. So we're going to work on something southern. Now, it's also something that's back over in England as well. My mother used to make some great collard greens, and so I've taken some of the knowledge that I gained from her, but then I've also taken on some of the southern roots that I've gotten used to, having been over here for over 20 years now. We're going to inject a ton of flavor into this. So first of all, we're going to start off with our collards. Really important. Make sure when we take off these stems, because these stems are very fibrous, so we want to get rid of the stems, but we're going to wash. You don't want to have any grit. They tend to have sandy grit in them from where they're grown out in the fields. Make sure you don't have any grit in there. It ruins everything about it. They can taste great. If you get that grit between your teeth, it's just not pleasant. So we're going to wash these off first, de-stem them, and then I've got some fresh bacon over here. I've got some ham, and then I've got some onions as well. Actually, some of these are from Mr. Farah, one of our administrators at the Career Center. I've got some red onions and some sweet white onions here as well. We're going to be chopping those up to go in. And then I've got some fresh stock. This is actually, you may not be able to see it from there, but it's still kind of gelatinized from where I've just taken it out of the refrigerator. This is fresh stock made from chicken bones, so it's got all that richness in there, all the flavor in there, all the goodness in there as well. Lots of protein and collagen that's in there. So this is going to be a really great tasting dish. There'll be some goodness to it as well. Maybe not quite so much with the fatty side, but it tastes good. Okay, as we can see, we've got some amazing caramelization going on in here. All these flavors concentrating down. It's exactly what we wanted. And now we're going in with our collard greens, and we're going to let them sweat down a little first before we add in our chicken stock. Get inside. Okay, they're all cooked and tender and ready to go. Absolutely delicious and tasty. I've adjusted the seasoning on these, and so now we have to take these from hot down to cold, unless if we're serving them immediately. They can be stored and they can be frozen for a fairly good amount of time. They freeze just fine, but so it's important we have to reduce this temperature down through the temperature danger zone to 70 degrees within 2 hours, and then we have to get them down to refrigerator 41 or below within 4 more hours after that. So the way I'm going to do it, it's really simple. No blast chiller here, nothing, no technical equipment. I'm literally putting it into an ice bath, and we'll continue to stir it. It will probably only take about a half an hour or so to bring it down to room temperature, and then it will be safe to go into the refrigerator.